And it's finally here. The Xpel paint protection film is here. So today we're gonna install it in the car. First, we're gonna wash the car, then we're gonna do that. So stay tuned, let's see how it's done. So first, I brought the guys from MJ Motors. They do the best mobile detailing here in Houston. So they're gonna wash the car for me. They do a great job. They have all the nice products. So they're here, they're great guys. And they're gonna do all this to the car. And then we're gonna go and install the Xpel protection. I bought the PreCut film from Xpel. And what we're gonna do today is the bumper. That I'm more worried about, to not scratch it and not get chips on the bumper right there. We're gonna do the bumpers and hopefully the headlights and the mirror caps. So that's what we're gonna start today and hopefully finish with that. I'm gonna go and do the Xpel first, and then I'm gonna cover the car with this product I bought online. It's Nexgen ceramic spray. So this, what it does is protect the paint, and it's pretty simple to use. You only spray it on the car part by part, and then you clean it out, and it protects the paint really good. Of course, I'm gonna just do the Xpel protection in the front of the car. So that means it'll be the fenders, the bumper, the hood, the mirror caps, headlights and stuff like that. So it won't be a complete cover with the Xpel, so it's not too much work, but we're gonna do that and come back. Okay, so I bought this a couple of weeks ago, and I finally got the PreCut Xpel pieces. So let's just open this baby up, see what is inside. Okay, so we have all this here. Installation gel that is needed for this. All the fiber cloth. Alcohol solution, empty container. Slip solution, empty container. Installation gel, empty container. And this. I don't know what this is, so let's just open it up. And this is... Oh, okay, so this is to put the tools and put the everything on your... Perfect. Okay, and the final ingredient here on the slip solution, and it's purified water and baby shampoo. Okay, so I have my alcohol mix, I have my slip solution that is no more than water and Johnson's baby shampoo. And now for the final mix, I need to fill this bottle with the... So now that we have our 3 mixes ready, let's go and open the PreCut Xpel and let's see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. I opened the container, and this is all the pieces we should have inside. All the parts that are included here, all the front bumper, the hood, the fenders, left and right mirrors, and all the parts are included. This is just the front protection kit, PPF from Xpel. Let's start. I'm gonna start with something small first to try it on and get used to the material and all that, and then we'll jump to the biggest pieces like the hood, the fenders, and I think the bumper is the last I'm gonna do. Most important though, that's the first I want to cover, but it's a large surface, and I'm gonna leave that for last. Okay, so here it is, part of it. This looks like the fenders. This is the front hood, and we have there some other parts, and we have here the mirrors, So I think I'm gonna start with the mirrors. Let's start with that and go with the others. Maybe we jump to the fenders next. So let's just start with the process. I have the car here ready. I brought the tripod first this time, and I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna spray all the solutions. We're gonna start with that. The area is already clean and it's already clay bar. I'm gonna finish it up with a cloth that came with the package. I'm gonna start with the slip solution. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we have the bottom part. It's in two pieces. The bottom part and the top part is right here. So I'm gonna start with the bottom part, peel it off. Trying not to touch the sticky part. Trying, of course, you have to, but trying not to. Okay. Okay, so gonna apply some sticky solution. Took me about 20 minutes to do this, but it's done. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it there, but it's not 100% protection, this kit right here that I bought from Xpel, but it protects the whole front of the mirror, and I'm happy with it. I'm gonna put the other one right here on top, and let's do that. After we did the rear mirrors, we're gonna do now the fenders on the driver's side. That's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna show y'all guys how to do it.